Greetings, people. So, I'll be playing this weird game that I developed for a hackathon. I think like a year from now. And so yeah, in this video, I'll just be playing one of my old games and looking back at how bad my code was and all the bugs and stuff that were in this thing. So yeah, it was for a hackathon. It's essentially a murder mystery game, but there's no game element to it whatsoever. It's literally just like moving around and talking to characters and slowly having each one of them die. So yeah, kind of um, borders on what you would define as a video game. So yeah, it literally takes place in this train thing. I'm bad at pixel art, so I just designed it like this. And there was actually a sizing glitch originally. So like you could see the outside of the train because like right above where my cursor is right now, like there's nothing above that. It's literally just like whatever background color there is right now. So yeah, there were a number of bugs with this thing. For example, the first thing is I did not make any object collision apart from like the sides of the train, so you can straight up walk over these guys. Like the dirt particles from my guy's feet are just going over his face right now. So that's something. But yeah, I guess we'll just be playing through it and talking about stuff. So yeah. So for it, I made this cursor over here, and essentially this cursor is basically a ripoff of the what's it called a sprite's cursor. I literally just redesigned it slightly different in a sprite as well. So I was looking at the cursor and using the cursor in a sprite to design the a sprite cursor, but slightly different, which was fun. But it's a cool looking cursor. So yeah. Let us begin the game. Also, notice how there are these particles in the background that are supposed to indicate movement, but like there was a bug that like, oh god, I'm saying that like too much, but there was a bug that caused these particles to come out in bursts. So like the first there was this first row of particles that was just like a solid white rectangle that just slowly went to the left, and then like the alpha value of the particles decreases, and then there's no particles over here. So let us talk. So like when you go up to the person, obviously you move with WASD keys, but when you go up to a person, oh, you can also move with arrow keys. I didn't know I implemented that. It's been too long. So when you go up to a person, their name pops up, and if you click anywhere on the screen, you can initiate the dialogue. So yes, let's go through what story I had come up with 1 year ago. Interesting. And then after the first dialogue, I believe they just kept saying the same weird thing over and over again. Okay. There are a lot of bugs, especially with this one, because you have to go relatively close to him, or like his like hitbox. I don't want to call it a hitbox because there's no object collision or anything, but like his the proximity that you need to be to this guy, the rectangle that you need to be in is really weird. I sort of messed it up. I think I hard coded these values in, but then I forgot to change this one guy's the values for this one guy, and now it's weird. It was weird in the final product, so no one actually managed to get past the first stage because they couldn't talk to him. Uh, so yeah, tickets please. Funny. Yep, that's it. And there's a bug that has them like repeat the last sentence or whatever they said when I go to talk to them again, which is weird. Also, if you'll notice, like the guy will flip back and forth, which is another bug. It's hella bugged. Uh, huh. Okay. Generic show 5. Yes. Uh huh. Would you like sandwich? Yes, I would like sandwich. Greetings, fellow passenger. Whoa, Hank McHank from Egg Salad Incorporated? The very one. I'm a big fan. Yes. So, another thing that I added in, I hard coded in at the time because I was low on time and I had literally no experience with this sort of stuff. So, I hard coded in their dialogues, right? But I checked if, like, the dialogue with another character had already been done to influence the dialogue with the other characters. And this was my partner on the project, who at the time was like not available for some reason. I think the game engine that I made this in, LibGDX, he for some reason it wouldn't run for him. I don't know why. I don't know what was happening. So yeah, this is modeled after him. He has a YouTube channel. I think it's called Crimson. You guys could check it out if you want. He does Minecraft and C++ live streams, I think. Hi there. Do you not also find that this train is completely ordinary and safe? Yes, nothing could go wrong on this train, that is for sure. Uh-huh. Cheese sandwich. Indeed. If you go back, it's just the same thing again. Cheese gang, cheese gang, cheese gang. There's this guy. Let's see. Okay. Uh-huh. What do you say? Oh, Barney, that's my wife's other husband. uh, okay. Ah. Uh, I don't even. Wait. I think this guy was an actual person. I'm not sure if Ethan has an assistant or not. I don't know. Huh. Okay. Anything else? And I believe that's literally everyone except for Esther. As soon as I talk to her, boom. Barney has been killed. Space to continue. I'm not even sure if that part came up in the recording. So apologies if it did not come up, because I know that the title screen for this game for some reason just does not come up. And actually, I'm pretty sure that Barney is still here. I'm just I think I just made him invisible or something. Actually no, I think in the logic for the rendering of him, there's a boolean for each of them. Just check if there's alive or else they don't get rendered. So I'm not sure how I did that, but let's see. Let's go to the check. As you can see, like, the freaking hitbox on this guy is so weird. I'm literally standing on top of him and nothing. But if I go like here, so, why are you already okay? Anyways, so oh dear, a murder on the train. Well, at least I won't have to check their ticket. That is correct. You will not have to. Oh, if this wasn't Hank's work, then it might be. I didn't. Dang it! I didn't read what Hank said. I didn't follow the lore properly. Uh-huh. Okay. So I think, right, the game does not tell you who the actual murderer was, and you're supposed to figure it out by yourself by looking at the story, which is a really bad design. But I did it anyway. Uh, and now I have forgot what the story was, so I'm just gonna make a guess. I'm gonna take a gander at who the murderer was. Esther and Bruce might have done something. Keep an eye out for Bruce. Odd. Okay. But she thinks it's you, so. Also, I'm pretty proud of the character sprites because I made them myself. And actually, I took way too long on these character sprites over here, especially given that the animation is so simple. Like, I know who killed Barney. I am a detective. I say it's Hank. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's Hank. Wait, who? Whatever. I don't care. Yeah. Okay. Also, one thing that's really cool. I think I had a boolean for if the guy was running, then render the running sprite. Else just render this, and both sprites are getting rendered. I know that. Actually, I'm not even sure. It's been too long. Okay. I don't care. You there? I think might be. Someone's killed. Okay. Also, I'm pretty sure that this background was supposed to change color. Not sure why it isn't changing color. Not sure. Also, if you go here, then like the camera is just really weird. Like, okay, so like if I'm here, right, in this part of the train, oh, it stopped. Like you see this? Like it's like an earthquake. It dies down after a while, but it's like an earthquake. Like the thing's just going up and down really fast. I don't know what that was. Probably some issue with the camera. Heavy sobbing. Okay. The sisters have been killed. I do not even remember who the sisters were. I wasn't paying attention to the lore. But whatever. And the ticket checker is gone. Okay, it's definitely the ticket checker. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the answer. Because the ticket checker hasn't been killed yet, so he can't be gone. Huh. Hank did this. I'm gonna take out. Oh, Ethan has killed Hank. What? That is the big. That I wasn't even expecting that. I can't believe it. That's part of the story now. That's funny. Okay. Who dies next? Hank's dead. What? I didn't even talk to the other people. Why is Ethan dead? Wait, is the other guy also dead? Oh, what's his name? Titus. Yeah, he's dead. Oh, I knew I shouldn't. Hyperventilating. Okay. What? What? I swear to God, this ending is. It's such a shit ending. Whatever. And it doesn't even work the second time. I freaking restart the game and I'm back to here, so you can't even. Okay. That was it, guys. Bye. See you guys next time.